Hello guys, I'm in bed, taking some long overdue rest, so I might do a revised video on how to make a cracker. Now the technique I showed you beforehand, I'm going to get up and get a new bit of baling twine. Crikey, I'm not organised. New toy, by the way, Mini 11s. Yeah, okay, getting back to what I was saying beforehand. And now to make a cracker. Is I'll show you my old technique before I show you my new technique. And then I'll show you a new technique. So just grab a bit of baling twine, measure it down like this till it gets to this long, from here to here. And I used to just get some scissors before I had this. I love it. This blade needs sharpening. Okay, so then I'll do, once the baling twine's cut down to size, I would grab a fair bit of it here. And what I'll do is I will twist it like this in my mouth. And then then I'll get it like this. Put it down until these tail ends here are entered. Just grab it, put it and put my fingers here. And then I used to grab it like that. And then I used to wrap it around. And then until it was like that, looked like that. Then I used to go it up here, and that's how I used to make them before this new technique. Now I found that I really wanted a proper a different twist to it. I wanted it to look a bit better, and I would make them, because these were cracking well, but they weren't doing the sharp crack that I wanted. So the mate of mine showed me his technique, in which I am going to show you now. I've already thinned out a bit of baling twine. You got it down to it's like arm's length like this. Some angles here, and then you will start twisting. You'll twist it until it's tight. Oh, I got a bit of a cold here, guys. Took a food shop, but it did the opposite. Yeah. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, and then you'll grab it up here, and you'll form your eye, and then you'll keep on going like that. and then get two tail ends. He'll do a totally different knot, but I don't know. I watched him do it, but I don't know how to do it. I haven't got it down packed yet. So put it through the rabbit hole, and then and it would cut the excess off. Now, I went from doing it like that to doing it like this. Pretty good, hey? I've changed. This one, the twist on it was fairly alright, but this one was really good. And so, yep, and that's it. Bye.